Hey guys, so here is part 2 of the 3.3 day 2 notes. We're going to continue to solve systems of linear inequalities. So actually what I would like you to do is go ahead and pause this video and try this problem on your own. Okay, let's see what you got. So notice here that we are already in that y equals mx plus b form, so we don't need to move anything over. Now remember, I'm going to do this one at a time. So I'm going to graph y is greater than negative 2x minus 5 first. So my slope here is going to be negative 2, and my b is negative 5. So I plot my negative 5. Remember, we're on the y-axis for this. And I'm going to have to go down 2 to the right one for my slope. Okay. Now I do need to reverse it because I do need to make sure my line goes off the graph. So I'm going to go up 2 to the left one. Okay. Now I need to determine if my line is going to be solid or it's going to be dashed. So in this case, because I don't have an equal bar, all my inequality is going to be dotted. So dotted and dashed mean the same thing if I use those words interchangeably. Okay, now I need to use my test point. Now for my test point, I'm going to use 0, 0 because it is not on the line that we just graphed. Okay, now I'm going to plug it into the original inequality. So y is greater than negative 2x minus 5. I plug 0 in for y and 0 in for x. So I get 0 is greater than negative 5. That is a true statement. So where my test point, which was 0, 0, I'm going to shade that entire side. Okay. Now I have to do the other one. Same exact thing. So my first thing is to find the slope, which is 1, and my y-intercept is 3. That means on my y-axis, I go up 3 here. Now I have to use my slope. I go up 1 to the right 1. And I need to do the opposite, so go down 1 to the left 1. And remember, I do have to make sure these lines go off the graph, so I shade the correct areas. Now, we need to determine if our line is going to be solid or it's going to be dotted. It is going to be solid because it does have an equal bar on the inequality. So now I connect. There we go. Now I need to use my test point. Now, if I look, once again, 0, 0 is not on this line, so I'm going to go ahead and use it as a test point. So, plugging it in, I have to plug it into y is greater than or equal to x, or sorry, y is less than or equal to x plus 3. Plug 0 in for x and for y. So this is saying 0 is less than or equal to 3, which that is going to be a true statement. So that means we're going to shade where that point is at. So right here. Okay. Now remember, where the shading overlaps, that is going to be our true solution. So if you are using 2 colors, basically where the 2 colors intersect like I have, that is your answer. Or if you're just using a pencil, then make sure you darken your shading to really illustrate what is the true solution, okay, or the double shaded area. Okay, so the double shaded area is your answer, so make sure you have that. Okay, make sure you guys watch the last part of our 3.3 day 2. We're going to just continue to solve systems of linear inequalities.